What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today we are playing Garden
Singin
of...
mo ako last gis. Yung pala kakain
We
lang.
are playing Garden of Venom. So let's start.
Sige, maghanap yan naman.
Prepare lucky for Mr. Gerald. Time is at and now click clock to advance time. Chair move.
Stick lang talaga bibili
Boards on
may
the
gatas
chair.
yan. Lalagyan din naman nila gatas eh.
Door open. And blood there.
Nakit ka na, Max.
Red.
Naglalakad tayo. Papunta doon.
Okay, we started.
Ano, usap sila ni ate, no?
We started.
Bakit daw ginawa ng gano'n ng pathway? Masakit ang paa. Kaya sabi niya ng ano, di ba ho, English speaking siya?
Click. Grab the remote.
Sino mo nagsabi sa akin yan? Sumama loob ko Parang gusto ko suntukin
To cafeteria.
Sa akin na.
Then John is here, baby.
Lakas naman ng cellphone mo.
Parang nabuisit ako Yung parang
Books.
ginawa akong bobo.
Books.
Ano sagot mo?
Wala, sabi ko, ayos naman. Naintindihan ko naman. Yung masama loob ko, nasagot ako
Hit that.
Dapat sinabi mo pa. Sinabi mo, hindi ko naiintindihan ang sinasabi ng apo ko.
Gusto ko suntukin agad Sama ako
The bird just appears.
Hindi kinaintindihan mo yung naglalang apo mo. Ba?
The first one is at the boat. Then the second one is just next to a pure bird. And the third one is at the playground.
Hiningi ko na yung damit ni Ray Ray para kay Mig.
And the fourth one is at
Aalis
the
mo si Rai Rai?
Sa
thing.
June.
Basta mix.
And then
Sa Moon Drive.
that.
Eh, ba't di ba meron siya?
Maliliit na yung kay Ray Ray, malaki eh.
And then key card.
5 piraso din yun kay
Then is paten.
Kasama ka, mates? Ha?
It only appears when you hit the button.
Lolo. Paano pag sirili, pinili? Ay. Sorry.
Oh, I forgot.
Parang maahoy ka na. Parang maahoy ka na yan.
6.
Pinta na naman. Pinta na kanina. Yung mga sa mamak-maondor, pabago-bago ka.
Instruction L1. What do you mean?
Normal yan. Pagay sa'yo, pagay. Pwede yan. Yan. Yan.
Nom 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 nom. You spin me around, baby. I also know in the game that there's an egg here. I don't even know if there's an egg. So, let me turn my brightness. Do you all see? Oh, I see it. I also have to make sure I don't knock this. It's so hard to reach the egg. Green. This is pink. Oh, wait, I missed. Oh, peanut butter just spawns there. You jump in. What you mean now? Oh, look, I have to drink water. Okay, once again. Just hit it. He just teleports. What the heck? Can I drink? There's a note. A QR code. The frick! Hold up. Yeah, if y'all wanna scan that QR code. I am freaking on mob here. What the frick? I keep stuttering. Click, lock, click, lock, click.
Kuya, nagbabanlaw ka na?
Thanks.
Ha? Banlawan mabuti yan. Saksak mo ang gripo. Buksan mo muna sa CR. Wala na laman.
Ole la la, ole la la.
Oh. Okay na? Okay na? Si Ace.
Pa, buksan ko na yung sa CR. Ayun, may tubig sa CR.
Buksan mo dyan. Banlawan mabuting baso.
Jump.
Bukas na.
Jump.
Tubig yung grip mo sa CR.
Kaya nga banlawan mabuting mga baso eh. Ay, pinanigaw mo na naman ako sa
What the?
Pumasok ka na sa siyan.
You see Jumbo just here, just like what Kayla's did. See?
Kasi naman ito pa na ano Ano, galing nyo ha? Baka pag ako napunan naman sa inyo. Ano yung mga patumbagan ng aso nila? Sabi ko lang sa inyo. Bago sa mag-game
Bro.
Tingin ng aso.
I just glitched the game and it just ended like that. Hello, thanks everyone for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm also eating a popcorn. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So bye.